Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the history of the clipboard, the content that you copies, the text contents or the images content that you copies over your Windows 11. Now, and this process even works on Windows 10 or 8 as well. Now, in order to do it, just simply hit the Windows icon on your keyboard, and with it, just simply press V, Windows plus V, and here you can see the page, the window has been generated which has the history which has the history of your clipboard, that the content that you have been copied. You can even clear it all or get the access to the previously copied content if you have forgotten it on it, or even if you want to use it. So by this method you can easily check the history of your clipboard on Windows 11. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.